Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the CVLIFE Camping Chair. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get this open, I want to show you just kind of up close how small this portable bag is. It's got a couple different things to hook onto if you need to as well, different ways to kind of hang. But let's go ahead and open this up. I'll show you instruction manual and the chair, the way it folds up and everything. Just kind of gets right into this this piece. So we'll expand this out and set it up. I'll show you that from the side, and then this is just going to be the cover, the actual seat. So a good strong canvas. So we'll go ahead and show this setup process. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can figure this out without reading the instructions, but I always recommend that you do read your instructions. That way you'll have a better understanding of how this thing works. Looks like my puppy's going to come out and join me. Everything kind of just pops right into place. Pretty easily here. So setup seems very fast. It looks like this is going to just kind of click in to itself. And these probably just want to secure to themselves. It doesn't even matter actually. It does have some hooks to help you grab, to stretch into position. From there, you got a seat, and a pretty comfortable one actually, with a little slot for my phone. Pretty good, to tell you the truth. I'm very comfortable in this thing. The question becomes, on the breakdown, and this is where I'll definitely need to read my instruction manual, but note that these things have little balls at the end, so it should be nice and balanced, and we're probably just going to, again, kind of drop these out. This will pop out. You do have to kind of just, I don't know if you can see the button or not, but there's a little button in there that you'll just kind of, could be easier, but you can still just simply kind of disassemble there. And these kind of just all start to fall apart. Kind of takes a little bit longer than I would have maybe liked. In a simple process, because they do kind of kick back into each other. Once you have them out, start to wrap up. So maybe not the thing you pull out for every sporting event, but certainly great for camping and taking stuff away like that. I'm probably doing this wrong here. Actually, maybe not. Wrap that up. Once you understand the fundamental of this, where it's kind of going to split right by one of these things, it'll essentially fold up pretty darn close. And again, this will all kind of just go right in here easily, as well as wrapping this up. So you can either wrap it together or wrap it inside, which is probably the best bet, to tell you the truth. So it all goes in nice and easy. Easily contained. And then it should zip right up. And be back together again. So there it is without the instructions. I do recommend you read the instructions anyway, but this thing is totally awesome, so definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.